visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tignan natin kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa paligid ha. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. Please also believe in the divine timing kasi this reading is a timeless reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong readings na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. This is also a timeless reading, ha? So, kung kailan nyo po ito makita or mapanood, the message is meant to find you. We have the Ace of Cups, the Seven of Swords. So, I feel like either meron ng reputation itong si person na medyo player, no? Either playboy, playgirl, no? Parang, or either, no? Parang kahit ganun na yung nangyayari, you're still loving the person. Wala naman akong sinabi na dapat, na hindi mo na siya minamahal. Of course, hindi rin naman natin, wala kasi tayo dito for judgment, di ba? I'm not here to make a judgment to a specific person. I may have my own thoughts on this, pero, I'm doing a reading and I have to remove the judgment and see what it is as a reader, no? With the Ace of Cups, mahal natin kahit ganun pa man. At hindi rin natin masisisi itong mga taong nagmamahal because ika nga nila, no? When you love someone, actually, no? Parang lahat kahit matalino, di ba, natatanga pagdating sa pag-ibig. So, siguro, dadating lang din yung time, no? Na inaantay siguro natin yung enlightenment, no? But whatever it is, mahal mo pa din, no? With the Seven of Swords clarified with the Hangman and the Magician. So parang meron ditong pangako. Okay. So may pangako itong si person na hindi ko na uulitin, nagbabago na ako. Ang tanong mo dito, ito bang sinasabi ng person na ito is genuine? Ang tanong mo dito is, eto bang taong ito na nangako sa akin, ginagawa niya ba talaga or it is just merely, boka, no? That's just a question at the back of your mind. Siyempre, mahal natin. We're giving the person a chance. We're giving the person the benefit of the doubt. So, somehow, meron din tayong ditong prejudgment doon sa person, pero sige, go on, no? I'm observing. I want to see if what you're doing is actually, genuine. So we have the Page of Cups and the Nine of Wands. So, nandito na tayo sa situation na the Page of Cups. Situation we're in somewhat. We're giving the person, probably nagkaroon na kayo ng separation dito, kaya nga ito yung chance, no? Separation can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, no? Nangyayari kasi dito is more of, or pwedeng energetic. Energetic, nakikita kayo pero hindi kayo nakapag-usap, pero, naayos. Now, you're giving this person a chance. You're observing this person. So hindi lang ito first time no nangyari. So somewhat meron kang assumption dito or nakapag-establish na itong taong ito ng reputation sa'yo. With the Eight of Cups. So Eight of Cups in here, medyo sinasabi nating, yes, tinanggap ko si person, tinanggap kita uli, but nandun pa rin yung love. Pero hinahanap ko kasi yung the kind of love when I loved you before this separation happens. Hindi natin maitatanggi na siguro, no, baka nandito pa rin talaga yung sugat, yung sakit. So that's the reason why I cannot see that emotion anymore or an emotion as of the moment. Meron, pero if I'm going to compare what I am feeling right now to what I felt before, medyo magkaiba. Siguro that's also one of your questions to yourself. Bakit kaya iba na yung feeling ko sa kanya, no? Alam ko sa sarili ko, mahal ko pa siya, pero bakit hindi na siya ganun yung impactful, no? So, with the High Priestess and the Strength card, I think, ito ba yung fantasy na you're loving? Kasi meron dalawa yan eh, no? Dalawa ang pwedeng nangyayari when you are in a relationship. You love the person, yung tao mismo. That's why you're having a commitment to that person, or you are in love because of the idea of love, no? Parang it doesn't matter kung sino pa yan, basta love is love, no? Or, I am in that spectrum of love. Parang yun, dun nabubuo yung fantasy ko. So that's actually my question. That's actually my thoughts to ponder upon having or watching this video. Do you love the person or do you love the idea of being in love? Let me know, no, sa comment section. With the Ace of Wands, the Empress, and the Moon card. So, alam natin sa sarili natin what is happening deep within. Meron ditong somewhat, again, sinasabi ko, nandun pa rin yung love. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi na ito katulad nung dati kung paano mo siya minahal before. Meron ditong mga pagkakataon kasi na you're even questioning your own emotion. Ito pa ba yung taong minahal ko? Ito pa ba yung taong gusto kong makasama? I feel like meron talaga ditong somewhat, no? Pinipilit kong ibalik yung dati for the idea of I gave this person another chance. Walang masama kung binibigyan mo din yung sarili mo to actually love the person back, or kung binibigyan mo yung sarili mo na mahirap nga naman magsimula uli. So what works for you. But then again, deep inside your heart that your amor, no, is not the same as before. Yun lang naman. I hope that hanggang dun lang tayo, no? I hope that this person really can win your trust back. So, yan ang iyong reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate dito sa video na ito, let me know sa comment section. And please do subscribe to the channel. Click the like button. Click the notification bell para every time po na tayo'y release ng video na ma-notify kayo. So, kung meron kayong mga personal questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, Leo. I'm seeing Sagittarius. I'm seeing Scorpio, Cancer. I'm seeing Libra. I'm seeing Sagittarius. Scorpio is very dominant. Ano? Yeah, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best.